Welcome to the step-by-step guide for completing your UCAS application. First, head to ucas.com. Select Sign In from the drop-down menu on the right-hand side. Select the relevant sign-in, which will be 2022 entry. When you see the sign-in screen, choose Register. Then complete the short form. Use your personal email address, not your MON school address, and make sure the password you set is memorable. UCAS will then email you a code to verify your email address. Once you've registered, you'll be asked a few questions like when you want to start studying, where you live, and what you're interested in. This is so that UCAS can tailor the information that you see. Make sure you choose the correct study year. For most of you, this will be 2022. Next, choose the correct level of study, which will be undergraduate. Here you can also get information on apprenticeships and conservatoire. Also tell UCAS where you live so they can direct you to the right information. On the next page, you can choose if you want to get tailored information about university, college and apprenticeship options. Select the subjects that you are interested in. You can change these at any point in your preferences. Then scroll right to the bottom to create account. To start your UCAS application, click on the Your Applications tile. You need to link your application to school, so select Yes and then enter our buzzword, which is Monmouth 2022, all lowercase. Enter the buzzword and confirm the details are correct. Your application will now be linked to school, which means that we can track your progress and provide support, including adding your reference. The home page is where you'll see the sections that need completing. You don't need to complete the application at once. You can log in and out at any time until you're finished. As you add information to each tile, the percentage complete dial should increase each time you mark a section as complete. The second section is your profile. The tiles will give you an overview if a section is complete, in progress, or you need to start it. All sections must be marked as complete to send to UCAS. You must complete all mandatory questions to mark a section as complete. They have a red asterisk. In the personal details section, your name should already be visible, but you'll need to add your title and complete the other mandatory fields. Once you've completed a section, you must remember to mark the section as complete at the bottom of each page. The list on the left of each section will show which sections are completed, which are in progress, and which have yet to be started. In this section, you should provide either a landline or a mobile number. You'll only see the fields to add the nominated contact details if you answer yes to the question. This means that somebody else can speak to UCAS about your application. It's a good idea to do this. If your home address is not the same as your postal address, additional home address questions will appear. Not everyone will have something to enter here. It's up to you whether you create an employment record here or not, but remember to mark the section as complete. In this section, you'll add details of all the qualifications you've already achieved and those you're studying towards. First, you need to add details of where you've studied or are studying, then add qualifications. Start by clicking Add Place of Education. You'll then be asked for a unique learner number. You should have all received this by now via your MON email. If you haven't done so, please come and see me in the sixth form office. Start typing Monmouth Comprehensive and the full name will appear. The exam centre number will automatically populate. Add when you started here, September 2020 for the sixth form, and when you're due to finish sixth form, June 2022. Click the Add Qualification button and search for your qualification. Here you need to enter your GCSE qualifications and any other Level 2 qualifications. Enter your AS level results, enter your BTEC and A2 qualifications, and don't forget to enter the Advanced Skills Challenge Certificate Welsh Baccalaureate. If you're unsure about qualification dates or awarding organisations, please come and see us in the sixth form office. For your A2, SCC and BTEC results, you must put pending. This section will pose different questions depending on if you're a UK national, you were born in the UK but have a different nationality, or if you weren't born in the UK. Supporting information is not used to make a decision on your application. It's only shared with those involved in supporting you or making arrangements for support. You can also flag up illnesses here, including mental health conditions, so universities can become aware and offer you support accordingly. This section will tell you what to do if English isn't your first or primary language. You will only be asked further questions in the Finance and Funding section if you are planning to take out a student loan. For more information on student finance, go to ucas.com/finance. This information is only shared with universities or colleges once you have secured a place. Again, it does not influence any decision making. It's used to ensure that applications are treated fairly. Details of organised university preparation activities can be entered here. These will normally have taken place at a university or college campus, and you'll know if you've participated in such activities. These could be a university summer school, or if you're part of the SEREN network. Have a look at the options here. You can select I prefer not to save for the parental education question. You can save and edit the personal statement section as many times as you need to. A good piece of advice is to copy and paste in your final personal statement. Try to do all your edits before in Word. Read this section carefully as it relates to ensuring that your personal statement is your own work. To add your choices, click the Choices section. Start typing the name of the university or college into the institution field and select from the options displayed. Do the same for the course you have selected. Locations and start dates are displayed according to the course details. There is a maximum of 5 choices, but a maximum of 4 courses in any one of medicine, dentistry, veterinary medicine, or veterinary science. Once all your choices are added, select Confirm Choices to mark the section as complete. You can register for admissions tests and assessments through the exams office at school. There are 4 steps to submitting your application. The application must be complete, so showing 100% before pressing Submit. The Check Your Application page shows your full application, and you can also download it as a PDF. There's a button on the right-hand side. At the bottom of the application, now click Accept and Proceed if you're ready to go, or return to your application if you want to make more changes. Next, you'll be asked to check, and if necessary, update your marketing preferences. You must tick the box at the bottom of the page to confirm you have read and understood the terms and conditions. Then click Accept and Proceed, or you can return to application or return to marketing preferences. Once you've pressed Accept and Proceed, your application will now be with us in school. And now it's time to pay. The fee for 2022 applications is £22 for one choice and £26.50 for 2 to 5 choices. Once you've paid and submitted your application, you will only see a read-only version if you log in again. We will now prepare your reference, which you will be able to take home to review. Once you're happy with this, we will check your application with you before sending it to UCAS. I hope this presentation has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please do come and see myself, Mrs. Jones, or Mrs. Guest in the sixth form office. Good luck.